Hello there and welcome to TAPSWAP Daily Task 3 and 4 for today, August 5. Okay, this is the first time. I appreciate you so much. Thank you very much. God bless you. And for all my return subscribers, what can I say? You are so amazing. I appreciate you so much. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. All right, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. And please, I want to just crave your understanding. Please, the noise in the background is happening here at Redemption City. Millions of teenagers and children gathered for the annual convention of the Redeemed Church of God, and I'm here, and the network hasn't been very friendly. Seriously, we have done 1 and 2, and they've been uploading since only God knows when, and up to now, they are still loading, and several other videos, several are lined up, and that's what we're experiencing here. I have to move away to where I am recording this one now, which I believe may even drop before the rest. So but let's get along with this. So quickly, we are going to be running the third and the fourth daily task right here, right now. And the third task is crypto security upgrade part 2. Crypto security upgrade part 2. So if you've watched it, all you just need to do after watching it is come back and tap on check, and it's done. Finished. So you grab the 400k, and then the fourth one, which is the last. This is the fourth one here. The title is Earn $100 plus per day in Telegram. Earn $100 plus per day in Telegram. You need to watch this video and pick the ideas there and run with it. You need to learn to earn $100 a day, or or more on Telegram. Yes, you can set up your Telegram channel. Just go ahead and watch this video and take action. Seriously, nobody should complain of not having a consistently regular income through the internet, Web3, in this age and time. So go ahead and watch that video, and let's quickly enter the code, and we go with CURVE. CURVE, that's curve. Let's check, and it's done. So CURVE is the code for task 4, and it's about earning $100 plus per day in Telegram. So go ahead and finish and grab your 400k points. That's it. So I appreciate you for watching. Remember to like this video, share it, and comment how many million TAPSWAP coins have you gathered ready for the airdrop. Let's know in the comments. I appreciate you so much, and I want to see you in the next video. Thank you, and God bless you.